Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So the markets are moving quickly today. We have a either ugly diagonal pattern to the upside complete. So we could consider this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would be an ugly one though. Or we've got an impulse in which we had a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. The wave 3, the wave 4, where we found support in the previous, I think that was when I made the previous video. Found support there. And basically in the setup or the support area that I indicated, and we now rallied to that extension level I highlighted. So gave you, I think, 2 or 3 targets, 23,715 and 24,835. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. That's a typical extension target for a fifth wave for Bitcoin. Would be the fifth wave of the third, because ideally we are now moving into this wave 4. By the way, let me just hide that red box. We don't need that at this stage because we broke resistance anyway. So, and markets are moving so quickly, guys, today. I mean, these days are always incredibly busy, so I can't because looking at the bigger picture, that will really depend on how we now unfold this structure. Crypto is moving very fast, and when crypto does a turnaround, it can escalate very, very quickly. Now, looking at this structure here, it looks like we have a possible 5-wave move complete in the third wave. We're pulling back quite a bit. So let me just add the latest support area here for Bitcoin for this wave 4, which means this is the level Bitcoin needs to hold if we want to get a highly likely fifth wave up there. So drawing the fibs, changing into wave 4 resistance, support. So this could be quite a bit of a retracement now. We talk here about Bitcoin possibly coming down to 23,495, down in a more extreme case to 22,137. Yeah, this has to do with the situation that this rally was quite strong. Oh no, 1 second. I need to make sure I picked the right low. No, that was wrong. Forget about that. But it's not much different. So it's this one. Yeah, we measure the length of the third wave, and then we take the retracements, and the support area is all the way down to 22,314. That would be the more extreme case. Of course, if it breaks, we won't get really that fifth wave, at least not with a high likelihood. But as long as 22,314 is holding, we could get it, right? So it's the same way that we had here a support area or trend reversal area, where the idea was as long as we're holding the 50% retracement of that smaller degree wave 4, we can get that higher fifth wave all the way up to 24,835. Now we get another fourth wave, probably. Yeah, I mean, you never really know until the price really gets into this region. It's not confirmed this is a fourth wave. This could also just escalate a little bit higher. And if it does, you see the extension targets on the screen. It could even escalate in this particular wave to 26,647. So 1.618 extension. But at the moment, if we get into this region here, the 23,578 level is sort of what I would like to see for a fourth wave. Yeah, you can see that 23,578, 23.6 fib level, the minimum that fourth wave should do. The ideal level would be here, 22,879. And the more extreme level, a maximum for a wave 4, is 22,314. If we don't even get there, I'm treating any further upside as just an extension of the third. And we know now, crypto can extend these impulses. So they are ideal targets, these ones to the upside. But when it rallies, remember what happened here. You can easily get these extensions, especially in those fifth wave extensions. So crypto can extend out quite a bit, and what seems like a fifth wave at the moment could turn into a very long third wave extension, for example, or a series of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setups. So that's sort of what we need to work with here. Until you get into these support regions, there is no confirmation that this is actually already the fourth wave. So the bears need to push the price down into that region. Then we need to see, are the bulls strong enough? And the probability is usually there if the wave count is correct. And then you should see that fifth wave rally to the upside. And again, I can't really give you a target yet for the fifth, but we'll keep you updated on Telegram and Discord. And because I can really only give you a target for the 5th as soon as we have the 4th wave low basically confirmed. So looking at the, I leave all the fips on the chart so that you can see that if you're a channel member, you can see the TradingView live chart. Looking currently at the options, that this is what we're doing here to the upside. That could be a extended B wave. So we could still have the situation. Let me zoom out to the 1 hour. Initial B wave resistance was broken. So what's the next key resistance? Next key resistance, we're approaching that. We're now basically back to the level of the, or in very close to the August high and the February high. So we talk here about 25,250, yeah? Very, very critical level. And if we break above that, yeah, then we can take it can take us to 26,650 in the first place, in my opinion. But at the moment, I'm also treating this as a possible extended B wave. What does that mean? So we talk here about the idea that we could get an overshooting B wave. That is possible as long as we stay below 27,454. So it can certainly go higher, yeah, and rally and so on. But if we get to this level, 27,454, that will be a critical level, because this will be a possible overshooting B wave. What does that mean? It could mean that we've come down in an A wave. This is a correction that we're doing at the moment, an overshooting B wave. You can get these and then come down in C. That's possible. Yeah, don't forget about this one. I talked about either way, I would expect a reversal out of the green support area, either in a B wave, possibly an overshooting B wave if we count this move down as a 3-wave move. And then we could still come down. But above 27,454, that resistance is also gone. And we have to expect that this is a 3rd wave rally that could take us to 35K and beyond. That's sort of what I'm watching at the moment. So this could still just come down. Yeah, basically massive bull trap. Absolutely. Until we get the 5 waves, there is that level of uncertainty. So if we get 5 waves up, come down in 3 waves, that will already give us more comfort about a further bullish case here. Until then, we just need to be on the lookout that this could just be an overshooting, very large B wave. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.